it doesn't matter where you come from, which caste, religion you follow or belong to. I have never faced all these things or saw these things happening on sets. Or
बहुत रिसेंटली मुझे ये समझ में आया है कि वो नहीं करना है, ना वो आप कर सकते हैं और ना ही वो करना है, क्योंकि आपको अपने में मस्त रहना है.
I'm someone who I'm a hyper person. I panic a lot. I overthink. So that's my way of dealing with it.
hi, I'm Gyanendra Tripathi,
Hi, I'm Ehsas.
Hi, I'm Preet.
and you're watching us on
IWM Buzz.
Hello everyone, welcome to IWM Buzz. This is Komal Vishwakarma and today we have with us is the cast of Half CA जो दूसरा सीजन लेकर आ रहे हैं. ज्ञानेंद्र त्रिपाठी, एहसास चन्ना and प्रीत कमानी. Hello, welcome to IWM Buzz.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
so
Komal.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Firstly, I want to know from you all is, did you expect such a huge positive response from Half CA?
I did, I guess. Yeah. And I had, reasons to believe in that way because it was TVF show and they have a very loyal and huge fan audience base. So that was the reason. And while working on the project, you get to know where are we heading. So, and I think actors and as team we get that sense that we are hitting the right notes. And if the material is impacting you, in most probability it's going to impact audience also. It's going to reach there. So yes, I did feel and hoped and wished ki it does the way it did.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm glad it happened.
I honestly expected it to do well. Definitely in the entire CA community. I saw all the CA aspirants and the chartered accountants to love the show. However, I was a little worried about, non CAs and, like your general audience also loving it. I knew that if they watch the show, they will like it. But I was just worried that they should watch it. They should give this a chance. Because usually, like, for example, if I were not in the show, I am an art student. And if I hear a show like Half CA, I would probably not watch it. Thinking, okay, I might not be able to relate to it. So, getting that audience to come watch it, that traction was something that I was worried about. Which was quite, like, it was
Surprisingly.
surprisingly there.
I think a lot of credit goes to our, marketing team who ensured that it does not restrict, remain restricted to CA community.
Correct.
The kind of scenes they have put out in reels and all those things from Amazon, MX Player, all these people.
Yeah.
I think a huge credit goes to them also.
Yeah,
That they ensure that
definitely.
it reaches out to the wider audience and it does not remain only the CA community show.
And I also would want to add that TVF is someone who makes a lot of shows
Yes.
based on, education and different courses and different professions. But what I love that they do is that even if it's like specific to one topic, they make it so relatable for the general audience as well. They add so many elements, and I think kudos to the writers and the directors, who, not just Half C, like all the other shows.
एक्चुअली उसका सीन ये है मेरे हिसाब से, जो मैं ऑब्जर्व करता हूँ, इज दैट द स्टोरी एंड द बैकग्राउंड इज जस्ट द कवर. ओके, द मेन थिंग इज द इमोशंस
Yeah.
Which are universal.
which are universal,
Correct.
जो सब रिलेट कर पाते हैं. एंड TVF का जो स्ट्रॉन्ग सूट है वो ये है कि उनकी रिसर्च बहुत बढ़िया है.
बहुत बढ़िया.
तो एज एक्टर्स ऑल्सो जब हम स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते हैं तो हमें ज़्यादा कुछ करना नहीं होता, हमें बस जेन्यूनली ऑनेस्टली अपनी लाइंस बोलनी होती है. वी जस्ट हैव टू लिसन टू अ डायरेक्टर. सो प्रतीश एंड द डायरेक्टर ऑफ द
Yeah.
शो and the team of writers, Harsh, Tatsat, Khushbu, they've done enough work on this, enough research on it, and the way they made the show, वो मैंने जब पहली बार पढ़ना शुरू किया था, and this was my first web show with TVF, and my background is of doing commercial Bollywood films, and I wanted to do something which is very very real and grounded.
Yeah.
And this was that show. तो जब मैंने पहली बार पढ़ना शुरू किया, मैंने एक बारी में पूरा सीजन पढ़ लिया था. So नहीं तो यूजुअली मुझे टाइम लगता है. It takes time for me to like read and then take in. And plus I had a very limited scope as an actor to contribute in this story, and sometimes actors get bored कि यार मेरा पार्ट नहीं तो मैं क्यों पढ़ूँ. But I was reading every single character's lines and dialogues and scenes. And that's because it was so interesting. It was like reading a book. So we knew that we are making a good show, and if we are making a good show, कहीं ना कहीं वो यार
Yeah, it's
People will
a
love it.
first primary indication that you have a good script in hand.
Yeah.
If you are able to finish it in one go, na.
And we have phenomenal actors
Of
like
course.
Gyani ji, Ehsaas ji,
And Preet ji.
And yourself.
Preet ji, मैं जी.
What impact do you think Half CA has made, and what kind of stories audience resonates with?
I think the impact that definitely that Half CA has made is, I get a lot of DMs, and our job, like as an actor, it is so rewarding. It is so immediately rewarding, na, that when someone watches it, you immediately they are able to like reach out to you and like probably DM you and say that okay, this character that you played is very relatable. Like I remember when during season 1 where there's a scene where I panicked
Yes.
towards the end.
You did so well. That was the
Thank
best
you.
scene. I love
Yes.
it.
देख के मैं पैनिक हो रहा हूँ.
बहुत अच्छा किया इसने, इतना ऑर्गेनिक किया.
Thank you. So I've had a lot of people text me that they have gone through the same thing, and that was actually an actual relatable portrayal of what actually happens in an exam hall. So I completely forgot what I was trying to say. I've lost my train
Impact
of thought.
on
It
the
is,
audience.
yes. It is like it. So the fact
Instant-
that
instant response मिल जाता
हाँ,
है.
instantly it's very rewarding and responsive. So and I've also had DMs saying कि we almost gave up being a CA, but after watching Half CA, we've like attempted it again, and now we're fully CAs, and now we've cleared our exam. And तो ऐसी चीज़ें also, like someone has said that while watching season 1 I was still a half CA, and now when season 2 comes I will probably
Wow,
become a CA,
amazing.
so I will watch it as a full CA. So like these things, so that this has
Impacted, yes.
impacted a lot of people.
ओके इस शो में हमने काफ़ी स्ट्रगल देखा है, स्पेशली मतलब सीए स्टूडेंट्स का काफ़ी स्ट्रगल देखा है. जब आप पढ़ाई कर रहे थे, जब आप सीख रहे थे, आपका उस वक्त क्या माइंडसेट था? व्हाट यू वांटेड टू बिकम?
Actor. I wanted to become an actor,
Okay.
and I wanted to learn the craft. Somehow I had this sense that without learning and without knowing the craft, it would be difficult for me to survive and sustain. So I wanted to learn, and so I went to a film institute again. That is the part which is very relatable with Neeraj's journey. Because Neeraj is also a person who wants to be a CA, and जितनी शिद्दत उसके अंदर है वो शिद्दत मुझे बहुत पसंद है उस कैरेक्टर की, कि बहुत ईमानदार है वो इस बात को लेकर के, और हवा में नहीं है ऐसा उसको कि मुझे बनना है और सिर्फ किसी ने कह दिया तो बन जाए. सेम गोज़ फॉर एक्टर्स ऑल्सो, कि कई बार आपको लोग कहते थे बड़ा स्वीट लगता है, क्यूट लगता है, ये सारी चीज़ें, दैट इज़ फाइन, बट इवेंचुअली व्हेन यू आर ऑन द फ्लोर, व्हेन यू वर्किंग, ओनली योर क्राफ्ट इज़ गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. सो या
ओके व्हाट यू वांटेड टू बिकम?
ये तो माय फ्रेंड गनीशा खेल रही है.
Oh, I
बचपन
love
से.
that. I loved that.
Yeah, but I also actually always thought, like I always wanted to become an actor, so I
Acha.
really didn't pay so much attention into studying.
Okay.
But my mother would say, you should always have a degree, at least you should be educated enough, and which is why I completed graduation in psychology and stuff like that. But
Oh.
या मतलब मुझे अगर मैं मेहनत करती ना बचपन में तो शायद मैं बहुत अच्छी स्टूडेंट होती, बट मैंने डेलिबरेटली नहीं किया, नोइंग दैट आई क्या करना है एजुकेशन.
नो, बट दैट एजुकेशन इज
एजुकेशन करो
हेल्पफुल.
सब.
एजुकेशन इज ऑलवेज हेल्पफुल, मुझे लगता
ऑफ
है.
कोर्स इट इज वेरी
कई बार बाहर जो नए एक्टर्स होते हैं वो उनको ये लगता है कि इसमें पढ़ाई की क्या ज़रूरत है. आपको बहुत ज़रूरत है पढ़ाई की,
बहुत ज़रूरत
और सिर्फ किसी एक सब्जेक्ट की नहीं, जितने आपके सब्जेक्ट एग्जिस्ट करते हैं आप पाएंगे कि वो सब आपस में एक लेवल पे जाके कोरिलेट करते हैं. सो आपको बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप सोसाइटी के बारे में, आपकी जनरेशन जो चल रही है, हिस्ट्री के बारे में, सब के बारे में कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन आप रखें. आपकी एक सेंस ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए. देन यू वुड बी इन अ बेटर पोजीशन टू पोर्ट्रे कैरेक्टर्स.
Preet, you also wanted to become an actor?
यार मैं तो पैदा ही हीरो हुआ था. मेरे हिसाब से मैं अपनी लाइफ को लाइफ मानना बहुत लेट शुरू किया.
फिल्म थी वो.
मुझे लगता है हाँ जेन्युइनली फिल्म थी. एक्चुअली अगर स्कूल में कोई लड़की पे क्रश होता था तो स्लो मोशन हो जाता था मेरे लिए सब कुछ, पीछे वायलिन बजना शुरू हो जाते थे. एंड इवन एग्जाम्स आई वुड ट्रीटेड लाइक मेरा ये कैरेक्टर है और मेरे कैरेक्टर को अच्छे मार्क्स मिलेंगे एग्जाम में, तो मतलब मैं उस
Wow.
लेवल पे पढ़ाई करता था. आई nobody expected this, but I topped my school, okay?
Okay.
And this was an IGCSE school, तो मतलब कैम्ब्रिज यूनिवर्सिटी एंड सिंगापुर से हमारे एग्जाम पेपर्स आते थे. तो बायोलॉजी में आई गॉट 100 on 100. एंड
चेक भी वहीं होते थे?
हाँ,
चेक भी वहीं होते
चेक भी वहीं होते थे एक्चुअली वहाँ जाके. तो रूल्स भी ऐसे होते थे. नहीं
नहीं, क्योंकि अगर इंडिया में चेक होते थे तो
थोड़ा यकीन करना मुश्किल होता.
भाई रूल्स ऐसे थे कि 2 बेंचेस के बीच में 4 फीट का डिस्टेंस होना चाहिए, लाइक लिटरली इट वाज दैट. तो दैट हैपेंड देन आई वेंट टू मिठीबाई कॉलेज, क्योंकि मेरे को ड्रामा करना था, थिएटर करना था, एंड वहाँ पे कॉमर्स किया. फिर मैं यूपीजी कॉलेज, उसके मिठीबाई और एनएम के बीच में ऐसा सैंडविच हो गया था. वहाँ पे एक छोटा सा प्यारा सा पर बहुत कमाल सा कॉलेज है, कमाल का कॉलेज है यूपीजी, वेयर आई डिड माई BMM. एंड देन फिल्म स्टार्टेड हैपनिंग, वर्क स्टार्टेड हैपनिंग. तो यही करना था मुझे, और कुछ नहीं करना था.
ओके. काफ़ी टेंशन है, एंजाइटी है, पैनिक सिचुएशन है सीरीज में. अगर हम देखें उनकी ज़िंदगी में, नॉट जस्ट पढ़ाई के मामले में, बट कहीं ना कुछ होता है
इन कैरेक्टर्स की ज़िंदगी में.
हाँ, कैरेक्टर्स की ज़िंदगी में. इन रियल लाइफ आपसे जानना चाहते हैं कि आप कभी कोई ऐसे सिचुएशन में रहे हो जहाँ पर एक्सट्रीम आपको पैनिक अटैक्स आ रहे हैं, एंजाइटी हो रही है, और अगर ऐसा हुआ है तो व्हाट डिड यू डू?
मुझे तो रोज़ आता है पैनिक अटैक. मैं तो इंसान ही बड़ी एंग्शियस हूँ. मैं तो हमेशा ही एंग्शियस रहती हूँ. I wake, sorry, it just got very dark all of a sudden. But yes, there are. मुझे लगता, like I think we are 3 actors. I'm also an actor. He's also an actor. I don't think he is going through so much anxiety in life, but I do. So it depends on person to person. It's not necessarily that you're an actor or you're a CA, or it's how you deal with it. It's how you deal with situations. I'm someone who I'm a hyper person. I panic a lot. I overthink. So that's my way of dealing with it. I don't know if I'm just spoke for you, like I don't know if you also not panic or no, but I feel like he is also someone. I know him for a while. I know him that he doesn't panic as much. He's very सुलझा हुआ. He has his ways of dealing with situations and stuff like that. So I think it depends on person to person. But I think panic or anxiety or stress तो सबकी ही लाइफ में होता है, हर प्रोफेशन में होता है. It's a very human thing.
So then what do you do about it?
कॉफ़ी पी लेती है.
To make my anxiety worse, मैं कॉफ़ी पी लेती हूँ. नहीं, but I think I'm still figuring it out. I mean, I just give it time and just talk to people, call someone.
Yeah.
And, bas.
Get a haircut done.
But the thing is that
Get a piercing done. Get a
Yeah,
tattoo done. You
tattoo
saw
done,
like
yeah.
6
Yeah,
tattoos
I
on
saw
my
it, I
arm. Do
saw
it.
it.
Yeah. Yeah. Now my new coping mechanism is to get a tattoo.
tattoo
You got a tattoo?
I have a lot of tattoos on my arm. It's covered on right now. I'm that kind of girl now.
Yeah.
Okay. Preeti was saying something.
I think she's also right to judge that on on a surface level, but actually I'm very good at concealing it.
No.
Like actors, we wear our makeup and we hide our emotions behind. तो बट मैं ऐसा इंसान हूँ, मैं बहुत सेंसिटिव हूँ. तो मेरे जो अपने या मेरे आसपास के लोग अगर पैनिक होते हैं या स्ट्रेस में होते हैं, तो मैं ऑटोमेटिकली उनका स्ट्रेस ले लेता हूँ. Like if at my home, if my parents are under some kind of a stress or if they are in a bad mood, automatically मेरा mood bad हो जाता है, because it's not about मेरा mood bad हो जाता है, but मैं बहुत ये feel करता हूँ कि मैं ठीक कैसे कर दूँ उसको. how do I mend the situation. बहुत recently मुझे ये समझ में आया है कि वो नहीं करना है. ना वो आप कर सकते हैं और ना ही वो करना है, क्योंकि आपको अपने में मस्त रहना है. Not that you don't care about other people, but it's just that you can't do much about it.
Yeah.
All you can do is maybe just lend a ear, listen to them. और ऐसे मेरे ज़्यादा दोस्त नहीं है, उंगली की गिनती पे हो जाए उतने दोस्त हैं मेरे, बट वो आके सुन लेते हैं मेरी बात, एंड आई थिंक आधी प्रॉब्लम वहीं सॉल्व हो जाती है. सो इन दैट सिचुएशन रोज़ ही कोई ना कोई कुछ ना कुछ हो ही जाता है ऐसा कि आप उस सिचुएशन में आ जाते हो, बट हाउ यू हैंडल इट एंड हाउ यू लेट इट गो इज द आर्ट.
ऐसा बोलते हैं भी कि लड़के ज़्यादा खुल नहीं पाते हैं, बोल नहीं पाते हैं. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ सेइंग.
नहीं, सब अलग अलग किस्म के लड़के होते हैं.
ओके.
Now, I'll tell you about Tejas' character in this show. Actually, very interesting correlation that has happened. ये एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर है जो he is a green flag, he is a hero, but he also knows when he doesn't have to be a hero. when he has to put the girlfriend ahead, when he has to put his friends ahead. तो ऐसे लोग
But then he also at one point stands up for himself.
He does, he
and-
does, he
and
does.
When he knows that okay, there is a point in the show where you know
He has to draw
he
a
has
line.
to draw a line and he has to
Yeah.
stand up for himself. I think this season you see this really beautiful arc of Tejas where you see firstly you see a lot of him in this
Yeah.
season and which I love, and secondly you see a very beautiful relationship of Archie and Tejas, and then you see how he's जो Archie को मतलब she's going through so much stress and so much anxiety and just like so much stress in life that she has people to fall back onto. Like she has Neeraj Bhaiya, she has her friends, and then she has Tejas, and he's always pushing her, and he's always. But then when there's a point where he's like, no, dude, this is not, something's wrong, and I need to stand up for myself. And I think that's a very beautiful thing that you watch in the show, and he's also done a very good job at it.
2 minutes. आप जब नए नए आए थे इंडस्ट्री में से लेकर अब तक, हाउ डू यू थिंक द इंडस्ट्री हैज ट्रीटेड यू?
Very fairly. Yeah,
Okay.
I would say. I love so many things about the industry. There are, it doesn't matter where you come from, which caste, religion you follow or belong to. I have never faced all these things or saw these things happening on sets or working space, which is amazing thing. Yeah, it's very, for me, it's been a nice experience.
वाओ,
Yeah,
नाइस टू हियर दैट.
yeah.
एहसास?
No, same for me also. I think it's also been very fair to me. I started off actually very young, so I think I'm very grateful for the kind of people that I've worked with, and I've grown up around you know, some really talented people and learned a lot from there. I think like he said that this is the one profession where they don't look at where you come from or you know what your caste is or what
Yeah.
all of that. It's purely 90% of the times merit based, which is I think
Which is like
fair enough, which
good
is good enough for all of us. And just you just need to keep a clear head, not give up, keep working hard, keep working on your craft, see and take rejections gracefully and feel bad about it and go back and see what you've done wrong, but then at the same
Of course, you
time be
need
able
a
to
lot
come
of
back.
patience, that for sure.
Patience,
Yeah,
yes.
A lot of patience you need. required.
Yeah, it's taught me a lot of patience, that's for sure. I
Yeah.
think
ओके.
वो तो है for sure.
Preeti?
एज लॉन्ग एज आप अपना काम कर रहे हैं, आप सामने वाले इंसान का टाइम वेस्ट नहीं कर रहे एंड आप ऐड ऑन कर रहे हैं, तब तक आपकी इज्जत बनी रहेगी, तब तक आपको प्यार मिलेगा. एंड बाकी इंडस्ट्री की अगर आप बात करो तो मेरे लिए इंडस्ट्री मेरे डायरेक्टर, डीपी और मेरे को एक्टर्स हैं, वो मेरी इंडस्ट्री है.
For all of us,
हाँ हाँ. सो बट उसके अलावा भी एक जो है कि भाई लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं, क्या है क्या नहीं है, यू नो द फ्रिल्स ऑफ दिस जॉब. तो वो तो स्टॉक मार्केट जैसा है कि जैसे जैसे आपका काम अच्छा होगा, सक्सेसफुल होगा, तो फिर लोगों की ट्रीटमेंट बदल जाएगी. प्रीत से प्रीत जी से प्रीत जी सर, श्रीमान प्रीत जी, श्री जी सर, तो ये सब ऐड होते जाएगा. बट उससे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए.
Preet साहब.
प्रीत साहब,
कमानी साहब.
कमानी साहब. But I don't think that should affect you to what you do. So would treatment by and large यही रहा है कि अगर आप अपना काम अच्छे से कर रहे हो, so then you'll be treated well. That's it.
ओके. इतना वक्त हो गया, कुछ लिखा आपने वो फिल्म के बाद से?
यार मैंने लिखा तो बहुत कुछ है. और क्या मतलब ऐसे कुछ सुनना चाहेंगे आप?
हाँ.
यार अभी तो मुझे पढ़ना पड़ेगा. मेरे को ऐसे मुझे याद नहीं
ओके.
है. But हाँ हाँ, एक गाना लिखा है मैंने एक्चुअली,
ओके.
जो एहसास को बहुत पसंद है. इट्स
हाँ,
कॉल्ड
मुझे तो बहुत पसंद है.
पिज्जा पे पाइनएप्पल.
ओके.
मैं तो कह रही थी आप सीए को बेच दो ये गाना.
हाँ.
So it's a very
Pizza
cute
Pine-
song. I'll
Have
be
you not heard the
No,
song?
no, no, no.
It's a very cute
I'll make you
song.
listen to it.
Please.
It's very
When is it
sweet.
releasing?
I will be releasing it very soon. This year. पक्का. मैं on
Okay.
record जाके बोल रहा हूँ. आज इस साल तो डाल ही दूंगा मैं.
Okay.
We'll beat for it.
Thank you so much for this
Thank you.
conversation. It was lovely talking to you. Thank you so much. I wish you all the very best for Half CA.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.